Let's go over the course syllabus. The course syllabus is located in the course information section. You'll see that I have the syllabus uploaded as a complete document at the top, but then it's divided into sections below so that you can find what you're looking for more quickly. The first section of the syllabus is my contact information, the course description, and the course goals and objectives. The best way to contact me is by emailing me. This is a topics course, which means it changes from semester to semester. In this section of 360, we will read, analyze, and discuss the writings of Native American, African American, and Hispanic American authors. We will consider how ethnicity, race, gender, and social class affect our experiences as Americans, and how that is reflected in literature. The course goal and objectives are listed below. The next section is the required texts. You'll need to purchase The Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian by Sherman Alexie, Anna in the Tropics by Nilo Cruz, and Drown by Junot Diaz. The rest of the text that you'll need for the course I will supply. The next section has to do with grading and requirements. This course is delivered fully online via Blackboard. It's an 8-week course, and on Blackboard I've divided it into 7 weekly learning modules, and then there's a final project in week 8. I will strive to return emails within 24 hours during the week and within 48 hours over the weekend. I realize, since I don't see you face to face, that email is our only contact, so I will, really make an effort to make sure I get back to you as soon as possible. Also in this section are listed the technical prerequisites. One thing to notice, though, is that for one of your assignments you will be recording it, so you will need to use a video capture tool like Screencast-O-Matic or something that will help you create an online video. Screencast-O-Matic is what I use. The late assignment policy, since this is an 8-week course, students must submit assignments on time. Assignments submitted late will be deducted 5% for each day or 24 hours that they are late, unless I state otherwise. My goal is to grade assignments within 4 days of the due date, and assignments will be accompanied by a grading rubric on Blackboard. Here is how your grade is broken down. Each week you'll have a written assignment. Those total 35% of your final grade. Each week you'll have an online discussion. Those are 30% of your final grade. You'll have an author presentation, which is 10% of your final grade. And then the final project, which is your choice, is 25% of the final grade. You can read about the final project below, and I'll be going over that later on in the term. The academic integrity policy is next. Make sure you read UIS's official policy here at this link. We do participate in early alert, so if students are struggling with class, I will alert advising. If you have accommodations that you need to have taken care of, please make sure you read the accommodations section. And the last section is the course calendar. You'll see with the course calendar, you'll be reading each week on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. On Thursdays, you'll be posting your first post to the discussion board. Friday and Saturday, you will be working on your homework, and Sunday, the written assignment is due and your discussion replies are due. So we'll use the same schedule each week, just so that you get into so that you get into a pattern of what to expect. The last week is the only difference. Week 8, which is UIS's final exam week. You'll submit your final project on Thursday, and that will be all that you do that week. And that will be plenty for you to do that week. That's enough work. So that is a breakdown of the syllabus. If you have any questions, please let me know.